Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does a police report go on your record? This is a question that causes a lot of anxiety, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect. First, you have to understand that a police report and a criminal record are two completely different things. A police report is an internal document created by a police officer. It's their official notes about an incident, detailing who was involved, what was said, and what they observed. A criminal record, on the other hand, is an official log of a person's arrests and convictions. Think of the police report as the story of an event, while the criminal record is the final headline. So, does the report itself go on your criminal record? No. The report is a separate piece of paper filed away at the police department. It is not part of your publicly searchable criminal history that a typical employer would see. However, a police report can be the catalyst that starts the process of creating a criminal record. Let's look at 3 common scenarios. 1. You are a victim or a witness. If your name is in a police report because you were the victim of a crime or you saw something happen, this has no negative impact on you. It's simply a record of your involvement, and it will not show up on any kind of background check as a black mark. 2. You are a suspect, but no charges are filed. Let's say someone accuses you of something, police are called, and a report is written. But after investigating, the police or the prosecutor decides there isn't enough evidence to move forward. In this case, the police report still exists. It's not on your criminal record because you were never arrested or charged with a crime. However, law enforcement agencies can still see this report internally. It could also potentially be discovered in very specific situations, like a deep government security clearance check or if it's relevant to a later civil lawsuit. But for a standard job application, it won't appear. 3. You are arrested and charged with a crime. This is the scenario where the police report leads directly to a criminal record. The report provides the basis for your arrest. The arrest itself is what starts your criminal record. From there, any formal charges, court proceedings, and the final outcome, whether a conviction, a plea deal, or a dismissal, will all become part of that official record. So, the key takeaway is that the existence of a police report with your name in it is not the same as having a criminal record. The critical event is whether an arrest was made and charges were filed. The report is just the first step in a process that may or may not lead to an entry on your criminal history. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful and want more straightforward explanations of